As a KCTCS student, you have the ability to download a full version of Microsoft Office onto your Windows PC or Mac OS device. To get started, simply log in to SharePoint and locate either your initials or your image in the upper right-hand corner. Click on this icon and then you will have an option to View Account. When you click on View Account, a new tab will open. Once the tab opens, you'll see a screen with many tiles. Your tiles may not be in the same order as mine, but as you scroll through, you should see one that says Office Apps. Click on Manage. On the screen that appears, you have four options. You have the option to install different Office apps on different devices. You can see that you have the ability to do so on 5 different devices. To get started, click on Install Office. This will download an installer onto your computer. When you click on the installer, you will be prompted with additional information about updating and installing Office on your computer. This process will take some time, but you do not need to have